Welcome back to One Fan's Opinion. So one thing I remembered that I did not cover was the whole Ferrari mess up. I'm sure other Ferrari fans around the world know exactly what I'm talking about and feel the same way that I did. Man, they threw away an opportunity, a golden moment to put a stamp that we are here for 2025. I mean, they messed up when it came to the tire change with Hamilton and Leclerc. Everybody else, McLaren, Red Bull, even Mercedes, got their stuff together and changed out the tires. I mean, I understand that for Hamilton, you know, there's going to be growing pains, like I said two videos ago. But Ferrari is not trusting their drivers. And I mean, I don't understand why they're not trusting. Hamilton is a 7-time world champion. When he says, you know, maybe you should pay a little bit of attention. There was one point in the race where they said they said something to Hamilton, and Hamilton says, "Got it." And they repeated, and he said, "Please let me race." I think he said that 3 or 4 times. Please let me race. In other words, let me focus. I don't need all of that information right now. Let me focus. And then Leclerc, when he said, when he radioed in and said, "Can you look into why my seat is wet?" And the response was, "It's water."
Is there a leakage?
A leakage of what?
I have the seat full of water, like full of water.
Must be the water.
Yeah, okay, it's raining. Yes, it's water, but like, how much are you getting paid to say this? Anyhow, they looked into it, and it seemed like maybe his bladder, because, you know, they have the little bag of water in there so they can sip as they're driving around, because between the heat of the car, I mean, the engine is right behind you, so your back is warm, and you're sweaty, and, you know, you're focused, and, you know, you're paying attention to all the other racers, trying to get ahead, to stay ahead. That was my 2 cents. Let's hope that Ferrari listens to their drivers and, you know, puts it into play. Come on, Ferrari. Come on. But I ain't biased.